Hi, I'm Holly, and this is Technical Shorts. Today I'm going to show you how to do a vacuum filtration. With the vacuum filtration, you're going to want a filter flask with the vacuum takeoff, a rubber adapter to form a good vacuum seal, and then you're going to want to use either a Buckner or a Hirsch funnel, depending on the amount of solid that you have. We're going to secure our filter flask to a stand. We're also going to secure a vacuum trap, and this is so if any liquid is drawn up through the vacuum attachment on the filter flask, it will be trapped in the vacuum trap and will not go on to the vacuum pump. All right, so now that we have our vacuum trap and our filter flask clamped onto the stand, we're going to connect our vacuum trap to our filter flask, and we're going to connect our vacuum trap to the vacuum outlet. All right, so in this case, because of the amount of solid I'm going to be filtering, I'm going to use a Buckner, a smaller Buckner, and then with filter paper. I'm going to want to open my vacuum and wet my filter paper so it sticks down into my funnel. So now that I've wet my filter paper, I'm ready to filter my sample, and I'm going to want to swirl it and then pour it into the funnel quickly. And the reason for that is you don't want all your solid in one spot on your filter paper, because then it'll be very difficult to dry it. By having it spread out across the filter paper, we will be drawing air through it and we will dry the solid more quickly. So you will have some solid left on the insides of your Erlenmeyer flask. So what you can do is rinse that into the funnel with a small portion of cold solvent. Now that I have my solid collected in the funnel, I'm going to want to wash it with a small portion of solvent. And how I'm going to do that is I'm actually going to turn my vacuum off. I'm going to pour a small portion of my solvent into the funnel. So that I'm covering all of my solid, and then I'll pull that through by turning my vacuum back on.